Hi guys, this is Kaiser and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video of mobile phone from Cherry Mobile. So here goes. It's the cutie phone from Cherry Mobile, or the P9 phone. So let's check out the phone. As you can see, it's pretty small. Yeah, let's check the phone later. And let's see what's inside the box. Batteries. Headset, USB cable, and charger. And here's the manual. You don't need to see that, so let's check out the phone. Here it goes. It's cutie, Cherry Mobile. Sides. Buttons like from the iPhone 4S and iPhone 5. So let's do a quick boot of the system. SIM card. Let's place the SIM card. And memory card inside. There it goes. Let's check out the batteries. The battery is very convenient because you can put your fingernail here whenever you want to. Yeah. And let's close that. It's quite hard to close it. There you go, Cherry Mobile. So you can't see very well, but